You want me to swing you?
Yep.
Here we go! Okay. One, it's the fun part. How much longer?
2.
2 more times?
2 more times.
Say one more time.
One more time.
Say I love you.
I love you.
No, I love you, baby.
Say I love you, Grandma and Grandpa.
I love you, Grandpapa
And Grandma.
and Grandma.
Say I love everybody.
I love everybody.
Can you blow him a kiss, baby? Thank you, baby. Say now it's time to swing.
One, 2, 3.
I think it's time for tickle. You want swing or tickle? Tickle?
Now, did you want to swing or tickle? Okay. How many more times?
One more time.
One more time. 1, 2, 3.
I gotta get one game too.
Okay, tell them goodbye. Say I love you.
I got tell what
Okay, Chloe, let's say goodbye to the camera real quick. I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, baby.
Go kiss the camera.
Thank you, baby.